అసలు ఈ కర్లీ గర్ల్ మెథడ్ ఏంటి? ఈ CGMలో ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి? ఏం చేస్తే నా కర్లీ హెయిర్ బెటర్ అవుతుంది, ఫ్రిజ్ తగ్గుతుంది? ఇన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండుంటాయి కదా లాస్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్ తర్వాత. డోంట్ వరీ, లెట్స్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ విత్ అంజు అండ్ సాహితి.
ఒకవేళ ఎవరికైనా దే కమ్ అండ్ సే వాట్ ఇస్ CGM అని అడిగితే కనుక హౌ విల్ యూ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్ టు దెమ్ నార్మల్లీ? ప్రో
It is definitely, how do I put it? It's not simple for me to break it down and say idi. Because shampoo, conditioner any day is 2 steps. Curly hair needs little bit more love. So you need to spend little bit more time. And that little bit varies on your hair type.
I spend 2 hours.
Adi cheptuna, you spend 2 hours because you like really long hair.
Yeah.
Anju almost has a bob. She doesn't need 2 hours.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? It's really specific. See, what CGM is specific to that person. Which is why I feel like everybody needs to do a personal consultation versus just going on the internet and reading everything that's out there, because CGM is an ocean. It will cover wavy, curly, coil, 3 hair types. అందులో porosity antadu, protein moisture balance antadu. There's like way too much, right?
Yeah.
So if I had to break down CGM, there's few strict rules that you cannot break. If you break them, your hair is not going to reach its potential. And there's few things that you can play with. So it's not that strict, but it's also not that easy. And there's like a middle ground for it, for sure.
Yeah. So
And every single curly girl will say, oh, na juttu tadiga unnappudu enta baagundo. But you know, when it starts drying, it starts becoming big.
Yes.
This is every single curly girl will tell you this.
Yeah.
And the only reason being, when it's wet, there's water in it. So in CGM, what we do is we use 2 extra products to seal that water into your hair. So even when it's dry, it'll dry like that. That moisture will stay. So then when moisture is fully moisturized curls, what they look like are Tom curls. You know that styling rod tone curl just along the hair, it look like that. Because straight hair you manipulate this thing, it look like that. That's why I feel like 90% of people on Instagram are asking us, is it natural? Yeah, because simply like, how is this possible for curly hair? Because not a lot of people know about it. A lot of people when they come to the salon, they ask me, do I have to style with my hair? But yeah, when you step out into the sun, so easily you're putting sunscreen on your face. For your curly hair, you can't put protection, and styling is more protection than looking beautiful. It's not about getting the styling right or wrong, it's about putting those products in because they'll do good for your hair. So much dust, pollution, sun. I'm not joking, kids who spend a lot of time in the sun will have brown hair. It's because the sun is bleaching it. So if you put styling products, and a lot of people ask, kitchen product pettocha? There are kid-friendly lines. I would suggest Ashba for maybe 8 and over, but maybe not younger than that. But there's a few other, we don't have any in our salon, but below it, there's other products available in the world that are kid-friendly also. Yeah.
that we don't have access to
because of customs. We don't know anybody in customs to fix that also. But yeah, there's strict do's and don'ts for curly hair. Simply, I can put out a few tips out there for anybody who's doing CGM, not doing CGM. Satin or silk pillowcase 100%, because then moisture is not absorbed from your hair or your skin. So this pillowcase step I feel like is a big winner because it's doing good things for your skin also.
Yeah.
It's really good for your skin also, it's really good for your hair also.
I started off with the bonnet.
Yeah.
But then the comfort of a satin pillow is next level. You can just sleep.
Yeah. And without worrying about like, oh, you need to bonnet to potada. You know,
it gives you a headache actually.
It does, because it's tight, right? You put it around your head. Just sleep on a silk pillowcase and sleep however you want. A good night's rest is minimum.
I live in a bonnet every day. Every single day.
So the alternate to a silk pillow is a satin pillow, which is a little more easy on your pocket.
Yeah.
So
satin or silk 100%. This pillowcase is a really good tip. The second thing is, even if you're not putting too many styling products, if you don't brush curly hair, it still looks good. But the second you put a brush in it, you're like, I don't have the word for it. You look like one, I don't know what, like one frizz ball, you know? Because curly hair is not meant to be brushed through, and especially if you brush curly hair when it's dry, it will break.
Yeah.
You don't want that. Already our hair is going through enough damage. On top of that, if you brush it, breakage is for sure. Then what are the other do's that I would have? Deep conditioning is really important.
You should.
It will change your hair. Remember I told you I never gave up on CGM? The one thing I also did not give up on was 1 hour of deep conditioning proper every Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday, my mother wouldn't even bother. I would be sitting in my bathroom with one laptop. I'm not joking, one steamer. I would steam my hair. Because I was following exactly what I wanted. Like say there was somebody I was following, if she was doing XYZ, I would do XYZ exactly the way she was doing it. Because I was like, నాకు చెప్పేవాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు, ఈమె చేసింది ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ నేను చేస్తే నా జుట్టు ఎందుకు అలా అవ్వదు. You know what I'm saying? And it worked for me. Just being stubborn with CGM really. Yeah.
Steaming.
The steam will open cuticles.
And it will lock the moisture.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can do DIY deep conditioning.
Oh, such yummy DIYs.
Yeah.
In fact, I like DIYs.
I went and put banana because I did not.
Yeah.
Oh my god, but banana is really good.
I'll give you one DIY that has banana later.
Yeah, but you'll have to really mash it well. Otherwise, it takes that much amount of energy.
Mixie.
Mixie. Yeah.
I put Greek yogurt, castor oil, and banana. These three together are magic for curly hair.
That's right.
It's fantastic. Honey also you can put little bit. And they say, no, you old రోజుల్లో పాత రోజుల్లో they tell no, honey వేస్తే జుట్టు తెల్లగా అయిపోతుంది. That's such shit.
No.
I put honey in my hair many times.
Also, I've tried it.
Yeah. Curd is also
Curd is like a really amazing thing. Menthol and curd.
Yeah.
Your amma will be very happy if I give you this tip.
Yeah, if you go back and say, Amma, నాకు menthol curd కావాలి, she's like, wow, ఇన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత వచ్చావు and you're asking me what I've been telling you.
Yeah.
నేను curl code post చేసేసరికి I thought you were launching some product like something. So when she put up a post, I was like really excited. Maybe she's coming with a product like or something. I was talking to my friend weekend. She's actually helping me with. She has really nice curls. She's helping me with it. And I was talking to her in Hyderabad kuda because I read somewhere that there is a salon in Bombay. So so Hyderabad and after a week I saw a post saying curl code is in Hyderabad and I was like, what? I was the happiest. I don't know about you guys, but I was the happiest.
No, I mean that's something that we really like. We look forward to coming and spending our time in our studio because we have so many people walking in and saying, no, this is one place where we don't feel like we are, we don't feel out of place. The minute they walk in, I have curly hair, Saiti has curly hair, and there's already somebody else who's getting their curly hair cut, and people actually walk in with super frizzy hair, and then we automatically see, we don't see frizz, we see end goal, we think, oh, this hair is beautiful. And I realized that, for a lot of our customers who come in the last 1 month that we've been open, just the fact that they feel like home, they feel like in a place where nobody's judging them, I think that's the first big win for us.
It's a huge win. Just to see a curly girl walk in with the baggage of going to a salon and everyone telling her, your hair's frizzy, your hair's dry.
Exactly.
Why don't you try keratin? Why don't you try spa treatment? The second you walk in, we'll tell you, oh my god, your hair's gorgeous. Because I'm telling you, it truly is. It's just the right amount of time and care you put into it, your hair will change and how.
The reason I'm excited is every time I go to a salon, నేను వెళ్ళిన వెంటనే ఫస్ట్ దే విల్ సే నీకు హెయిర్ సూపర్ డ్రై సూపర్ ఫ్రిజీ మేబీ నీడ్స్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ అని చెప్తారు. నేను obviously I would want that because I want to feel beautiful or something like that. So నేను చేయించుకున్నాను at the end it will be like మొత్తం గ్లో డ్రై చేసి పంపించేస్తాను.
ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి స్నానం చేసిన తర్వాత మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది దిస్ ఇస్ బిగ్ స్కామ్.
అండ్ ఆ కొంచెం సేపు I used to really like myself and I used to feel guilty about it also.
ఎందుకంటే why is the word?
Yeah, because why am I liking this? This is not who I am.
You're evolved, bro. ఈ ఫీలింగ్ ఇంత తొందరగా వచ్చిందంటే you're evolved. Because I was shameless enough to, I would never wash my hair at home. I'll put it out there because I'm telling you that's how much I hated my curly hair. Amarnath, who's working for us now, this also I'm going to openly put it out there. He used to blow dry my hair, wash my hair in the summer. He only used to wash it and blow dry it. నేను ఇంట్లో అసలు తలస్నానం కూడా చేసినాను కాదు because I used to hate frizz in my hair that
Tell
much.
me how much you were making when you were a student. How?
My parents,
I was thinking the same
my
thing.
parents love me a lot. The truth I have to tell, my parents love me a lot. But that's what I'm telling you, the hate for curly hair, the hate for frizz, the hate for how dry it is, and all these negative adjectives that we just grew up putting with curly hair. It's just sad. I feel so bad. I'm not joking. In our blow drying, anta jayapothe inkoka ekaram chuttu nindayina. Pakka. That's a guarantee. Because blow drying literally is killing your hair. It's damaging it. it's inevitably you'll have hair loss. ఈ వారం కాకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ వారం కనిపించేస్తుంది.
Right. Exactly. CGM actually started చేసిన తర్వాత I think my hair became better.
100%.
Yeah.
There's no two ways about it.
Yeah. There's no question. Hair has to improve. Scalp health will improve. Growth will improve. You're doing everything that is good for you. Harmful ingredients we don't have. Scalp oiling, which we didn't do before, now we're doing. When mummies told us juttu clone betko, we hated it. But if CGM is telling scalp ki oil betko, miss avakunda we'll put alarm and do reminder Sunday put scalp oil. You know?
I know. ఎందుకంటే ఇంతకు ముందు she used to be like come on, I look like no bro, chill.
Yeah.
But now I'm like, okay, 1 hour mundu I have to apply oil and then I have to go.
Pre-poo is so cool.
Yeah.
Nettiki noni is not cool. Pre-poo is so cool. So you're inevitably going to.
It's the vocabulary.
Yeah, that's
absolutely.
true.
It's how people introduce you to these things, right?
Yeah.
The second it's cool, you're gonna do.
And also it is because of your curiosity. అంటే చాలా మంది ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు. What if even my hair is also like that?
Yeah.
The minute you see a curly hair influencer, you will relate, right? Oh, this is my hair type. And if she is able to get that kind of hair, it's easy for me to achieve it too.
It's possible.
It's finally, there is a reference for us. So that's a great thing. Yeah.
So how important do you think is to invest in the right product? Because not అంటే కొన్ని స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారు లేకపోతే
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So curly hair method is little steep.
Yeah.
If you actually want to do it the right way. But now there are finally
budget
a lot of budget friendly, because I started with budget friendly products and I still think, I can very, very proudly say I still think what I bought off the rack, like a Giovanni gel, and it's my most favorite now actually. Why did they stop Giovanni?
I don't know. I think it's some manufacturing issue.
Yeah, but it's about 500 rupees and little goes a long way. In 2 months you're sorted. Only with gel and make mental curls. Like, it's not even funny. Now because I have access and people, my sister-in-law lives in the US, we keep coming to the US, and the itch to go and finally splurge on products is much more. But I still feel like there are so many lovely products below 500 that are out there that can work brilliantly for your hair.
Actually, there's one downside to CGM. The thing is, one product doesn't work for all hair types. So, initially when you're just jumping into this, I will say, this is personal advice because I did the same thing. I bought
the entire line.
I would buy ఒకటే company నుంచి shampoo, conditioner, leave-in gel, deep conditioner mask. ఒకటే లైన్. ఇది ఒక్కటి చేసినా ఇట్స్ బెటర్ దెన్ బయింగ్ ఒక దగ్గర షాంపూ, ఒక దగ్గర కండిషనర్, ఒక దగ్గర స్టైలింగ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్. దిస్ విల్ వర్క్ బెటర్ ఇఫ్ యూ బై ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ లైన్ బికాస్ దే మేడ్ టు కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఈచ్ అదర్ వర్సెస్ buying different shampoo, different conditioner, different leave-in, different gel. So that is one advice. And the other thing I would say is go ahead, make the first investment, use those same products. If it is working, not working ante your hair will feel a little bit better. Like sometimes gels will make you feel sticky. Just stick with the process till you crack it, until you're comfortable with doing the styling techniques, doing the process of conditioning your hair, getting into that alavatu varaku. Use those products whatever you bought. Once you've cracked it, you're comfortable, this is what's happening, then go buy more products.
Apart from this, the other investments that you're talking about, like a satin pillow, there is another option. You can get a silk pillow, but you can buy a satin pillow, which you can, I think, 300-400 rupees, I think
you can get it. And
or just take your mom's cheera,
silk cheera, and cut it and make 5 gale balu.
Gale balu.
That is what they call dindu gale balu. Don't, my mother every Sunday dindu gale balu marchava. That's how it's stuck in my head. But like that, I'm saying you can find ways to work around it. But like Anju said, these are important things. Like not doing silk pillow case is not arguable. Chepothe juttu anyway, you next day you wake up cheaper. So might as well. And these are one-time investments.
ante
so like ఒక్కసారి కొంచెం పెంచి ఫీల్ అయ్యి లేకపోతే ఒక 6 నెలలు సేవ్ చేసుకొని ఇంకొనేసుకోండి.
So much so that even straight hair people want to
now
then I fight for that one silk pillow case that I invested.
My husband's bald, so no sir. Have to put silk. I said మిగిలిపోయిన 4-5 జుట్లు కూడా ఇవే ఇలానే కాపాడుకోగలుగుతాను. So it works for everyone. Personally, it works for everyone.
Everybody is actually quite interested in this journey right now.
Yeah.
So middle class Ammayilu, see, this is one-time investment. ఒకసారి చేస్తే it can go a long way.
100%.
Yeah.
You crack it and then you're happy with it. Then you won't feel like it's an investment. I will say, if you don't have the budget to buy something right now, wait, save some money. నిజంగా put some money aside. మనకి ఏమన్నా డ్రెస్ నచ్చితే జారాలో ఒక 4,000 ఉన్న కష్టపడి we're going and buying ఏదో 2 సార్లు వేసుకోవడానికి అదేదో ఆ 4,000 పక్కన పెడితే కత్తి లాంటి ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి అండ్ యూ యూజ్ ఇట్.
4,000 కూడా అవసరం లేదు,
అసలు అవసరం లేదు. 2,000-2,500 you'll get a whole bundle of good products which you can use. And then what happens, 7-8 months వస్తాయి బ్రో ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్స్. నువ్వు ఒకసారి వేసుకుని పడేసే డ్రెస్ లాగా కాదు కదా. I don't understand because నా జుట్టు నా ఫేవరెట్.
I stumbled upon this Instagram handle called Fuzzy Curls, but it's 2 girls.
I know, that's my favorite.
They are
those friends, right?
They're friends, but they actually have some great budget-friendly tips.
Yeah.
You should follow them.
Yeah.
And
Pretty
we
cool.
will also try and do a post from Girl
You
Code
should.
where
For budget
products. Yeah.
You should.
Yeah.
Very nice. I feel they're very to the point, and between both their hairs, one is dealing with long hair and short hair.
One is short, yeah.
And one is
and different
defining.
textures కూడా. Yeah.
Different textures also, right?
Yeah.
Then start this like products. I watch different people. Some people say parabens and all are like important for your hair. And కొంతమంది చెప్తారు, కొంతమంది say అట్లా ఒక్కొక్క వెబ్సైట్ నాకు ఒక్కొక్కటి చెప్తుంది.
So it's like if I have a headache, and if I go Google it, the Google say I have cancer.
Almost 90 కూడా కన్విన్స్ చేసేస్తుంది. Slight headache can take you to cancer.
Yeah.
It's that bad.
Yeah. So I guess,
Like I said, right? We've done the hard work. Come to us instead of breaking your head. I'll really go ahead and say that because it's your choice. You want to spend hours and hours on the internet or just go to someone who knows what they're doing.
బట్ అందరికి యాక్సెస్ ఉండదు కదా, లైక్ అందరికి
Now it is online consultation.
yeah.
Just call us. No, it's really, we only started online consultations because there was just way too many people asking for it. And I said, why not? Just because you're a little dura. It's a little harder to not see hair and then decide. But now I feel like because it's broken down for me, it's not rocket science. Take curly until left wavy until coily. It's either high porosity or low porosity. Whether it's damaged or it's not damaged. It's not that hard to figure it out. So I'm saying just get an online consultation.
ఎవరినైనా it's like, is it really difficult that you couldn't manage their hair?
For us, no. That actually I was very, 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 very surprised with ourselves.
No, I'll tell you. There was one exception. So we had 2 clients who walked in with 4B, 4C kind of hair.
Coily.
Like super coily, like Afro curls.
Yeah.
Saiti and I, before we started Girl Code, we were super sure that we will not have in jeans. How can anybody come in with Afro curls? So we don't have to really get into the whole drill of learning how to braid or how to. We really don't know our way around styling 4C curls.
Yeah.
But
we can give a cut.
We can give a cut.
Cut coily hair, but to be very fair and honest, CGM is different for that.
Very
it's
different.
Not the same.
Very, very.
It's not the same. Everything you do is a little bit more different for that. Coily.
So there's this one girl who walked in and she was 16, 17 years old. Walked in with literally inta hair, and she came and she's like,
Shoulder.
Akka, no, we can't.
Inka, na?
But it would within to like literally like a meme. It's not even function. Like Akka, can you just లోపల నుంచి కట్ చేసేసేయండి, ఎందుకని నాకు వాల్యూమ్ వద్దు. ఐఎమ్ లైక్ బ్రో, ఇక్కడ వాల్యూమ్ లేకుండా సస్తుంటే. There are only these 2 types of hair. One is Saiti's friend Harita, and this one girl, very pretty. But we were not really happy. The minute a client walks out with something that she did not get, you will just be like, you won't be too happy about. But there's really nothing we could. As in, we're not equipped yet.
With those hair products.
Yet to handle 4B, 4C type of hair, which is, I didn't think was even possible.
No, because Anju brought it up. I said, ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు హైదరాబాద్ ఎక్కడ నుంచి వస్తారు?
Very confident.
మన కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లెవెల్ టూ మచ్. పంది న్యూస్ కూడా చాలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా కుక్ అని చెప్తాను. No. But yeah, no, I never thought we would run into coily hair in Hyderabad. Coily A also we can work with because we have some clients with coily hair type A, but B and C is a little difficult.
I'm sure we'll get there. I'm very
with time.
With time, yeah. As in we will have to train.
No, we are planning to do some big things.
Yes.
It's a matter of time. It's really a matter of time.
Yes.
Yeah.
want to know ఏదైతే products are don'ts అంటే ఏవి ingredients are like don'ts.
Maybe sodium lauryl.
Sulfates, not sodium. Sulfates in shampoos are a no because they're mild detergents. Detergents, you know, floor washing, bathroom cleaning. Not joking. These are just milder versions of those sulfates. So don't use anything. I mean, I don't have any obligation to these big brands, so I'm just going to go ahead and say it. A lot of L'Oreal shampoos, TRESemmé, like all of these brands have sulfates. They're claiming to not have, but still go ahead, do that little bit of reading on ingredients because they are mild sulfates. That also still doesn't work for us because sulfate is a drying agent. It will strip your hair off of its natural oil, so we don't want that. And silicones in conditioners are like one leather coat for your jaw. Nothing can go in, nothing can come out. Once you have a silicone in your conditioner, it's hard to do anything for your hair from that. So whenever anyone walks in, we ask them their shampoo, conditioner, and we do a last wash, which is with the sulfate shampoo. We wash off the silicones because silicones you can only wash with the sulfate. If I use my store shampoo like Ashba shampoo on someone who's been using the TRESemmé conditioner or a L'Oreal conditioner, the hair's not going to change because that build-up will be there on that hair. Really?
TRESemmé.
But it's not a CG-friendly product.
I know, but I'm just scared to change my shampoo and conditioner using the other jelly markets and the conditioner and shampoo.
That is
probably why it's not working.
Okay.
That's what I told you. Sagam baked information will just, you'll be doing it for a really long time and it's just painful because you'll be like, but you'll be doing something wrong. Yeah.
So I'll note all these down.
And there's on the other hand, there's some really nice line of products that have water soluble silicones. That is okay.
That is okay for you. It's CG verified and it's probably okay to use. Which for me is okay. Because I don't follow strict curly girl method.
Yeah.
Only reason being in the strict curly girl method, shampoo is not a step. You only condition your hair.
Really?
Yeah. And I feel like
perfume, you can't
use anything which has perfume. You can't
But
use
then there will be a lot of build-up, right?
They won't be there. It won't be there because then you're using in the actual CG method only water-soluble products. Water is the first ingredient in your gel and leave-in. So everything when you put water in it,
it just go off.
So only conditioner, so shampoo would order. So what we follow is a tweaked CGM, which I will tell you why works for India and us. The pollution we have, wherever CGM was found,
Yeah.
Our sun pollution, dust levels are different. We need to cleanse. These are just CG friendly. Whatever I fully use in the salon is curly girl friendly. They're all verified products. You can use them. I think being Indians, we need to cleanse our hair. Yeah.
And I understand the urge of having to use shampoos that lather.
There's a
and there is like a misconception that CGM approved shampoos don't lather. That's not true.
Yeah.
It lathers and you will feel squeaky clean.
Yeah, pakka.
Yeah.
Do you guys still straighten your hair after
I don't remember. I didn't even do it for my wedding.
Yeah,
I think I had curly hair.
It's been a while. Actually, my husband gave me a Dyson for my 30th air wrap. So daniki justice cheyalani cheppi appudu like when I just be like, oh, let me just use this because it's a lot of money.
I know.
No, but if you ask me,
that goddamn thing doesn't work on curly hair.
Really?
No. It's difficult only because it has to change the texture around. Dyson is made in a way that they're safe.
It just makes straight hair straighter. I'm sorry.
No, but if you're asking me, CGM Chase 2, can you do blow dry once in a while?
Why not?
It's a cheat meal. Go ahead and do it, but the idea is to come back and stick to a clean diet. Cleanly take care of your hair nicely. Take care of
The change is good.
Change is
Once
good,
in a
yeah.
while, change is good.
No, but personally, I have to say this. I burnt my hand, so there was a time I could wash my hair, so I was getting blow dries because no one knew how to do CGM before curl code, right? So I couldn't go to a salon and say, put this product in my hair. They didn't know how to. So I did blow dry my hair and I went to a branch because it was, Saiti just got married, like, It took everyone 2 seconds. They were like, straight hair. So at my wedding, my hair was curly. So
I'm very proud of you that you got your hair curly.
I couldn't though, like really, because I look like a different person. I'm very కొంచెం thick type. ఇంకొక personality వచ్చేసింది straight hair. I feel like I'm back in college because I lived with blow dried straight hair, and that side is very different from this side. And I love myself now. It's just so different. And yeah, just don't straighten your hair if you don't have to. Just don't.
So all the middle class Amai do, it is okay. If you have,
100%.
it is absolutely great if you have curly hair. Just embrace yourself and live the way you want.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And now one time I go and have beautiful curls. Yes.
We're excited to take you in.
అది సంగతి. సీజీఎం గురించి మొత్తం అడిగేసా కదా. సీజీఎం ఇస్ అ లైఫ్ స్టైల్. ఒక్కసారి చేసి రిజల్ట్స్ కనిపించకపోతే డిసప్పాయింట్ అవ్వకూడదు. ఇట్స్ అ ప్రాసెస్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎంబ్రేస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ కూడా, బికాస్ దట్స్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పార్ట్. ఎంత చేసినా కూడా హెల్దీగా తిని హైజెనిక్గా లేకపోతే దేర్ ఇస్ నో పాయింట్. యా, ఐ హోప్ ఈ 2 ఎపిసోడ్స్ నీకు కొంచెంలో కొంచెమైనా యూజ్ అయ్యాయి అని. ఏమన్నా డౌట్ ఉంటే ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కర్లీ ఆన్లైన్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎలానో ఉంటాం కదా. ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ దేర్ ఇస్ కర్ల్ కోడ్ ఫర్ యూ. ఇంకేం కావాలి చెప్పు. ఇట్ టేక్స్ టైం, ఒప్పుకుంటాను, కానీ ఇట్ విల్ బీ వర్త్ ఇట్. ట్రై చేసి చూడు. Until then, this is your middle class Ammai, Ritika Sana signing off. 9th ID, Ritika writes, do love, listen and follow Chai Biscuit Stories. Also, Middle Class Ammai is now streaming on all major platforms like Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts and Spotify, along with YouTube and Instagram. ఇంకొక విషయం, అవసరం ఉంటేనే బయటకు వెళ్ళు, వెళ్ళినా మాస్క్ వేసుకో. Stay safe and get vaccinated.